Okay, so here is the first unboxing, and they did provide a pouch. A lot of the Tiffany jewelry will come with a pouch. Here is a card with some of the care instructions. I'll go ahead and place that back in the box. And let's take a look at the charm. This is a sterling silver charm that I purchased to mark a very special little anniversary. And let's go ahead and put that here. Get a little bit of a closer look up. This is the back. It does have a little cat whiskers. And it is engraved with my initials. The other side does say Return to Tiffany. And it does say New York 925. So this little charm is again in the shape of a cat. It is really cute, and I got this to mark a very special event, and that was the adopting of my cat from the shelter. With all this going on right now, I really wanted to do my part and help out, and I brought home a new little furry baby who I'm very proud to be a furry parent or furry guardian of.